Good morning, students. In our last lecture, we have learnt about the complementary angles. The definition of complementary angles is that if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as the complementary angles. Now today, we are going to learn about the supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. Again, I am repeating. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. Now, see student, here I am going to draw a line. See, this is the line AB, A and B. If I'll take the another point that is T here, so what is the angle ATB? What is the angle ATB? That is the straight angle. And what is the measurement of straight angle? That is the 180 degree. That is the 180 degree. Okay. Now see student. Suppose I'll draw one more line that is AC. A and C. This is the second line, that is the one A and C. Now I'll draw a ray BD stands on it. I'll draw ray BD stands on it. Now see, this is the ray BD which stands on the line A and AC, which is on the line that is AC. Okay. Now see students, what you have seen here. Here two angles are formed. Here two angles are formed, that is angle ABD, angle ABD, and second angle is DBC, or you can say that CBD, DBC. This is the second angle. First angle is which? ABD, and second angle is DBC. Now, if we'll measure this angle ABD and angle DBC, we can easily observe that both the angles sum is what? That is 180 degree. Suppose the angle ABD is of 100 degree. It is of 100 degree. Then it should be, this DBC should be 80 degree. This DBC should be 80 degree. Because which angle they form here together? That is the straight angle. That is the straight angle which is of 180 degree. If we'll add angle ABD plus angle DBC, will get easily, that is angle which is the 180 degree, which angle will get? That is 180 degree. Understood? That is angle ABC will get. Angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to angle ABC. That is 100 degree plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then what we can say? We can say that angle ABD and angle DBC are the supplementary angles. Angle ABD and angle DBC are the supplementary angles because their addition is 180 degree. Their measurements addition is 180 degree. So we can say that angle ABD and angle DBC are the supplementary angles. Okay. Now, so what is the definition of supplementary angle? If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. So angle ABD and angle DBC are the supplementary angles. I hope you understood it. Okay. Now, next one we'll solve practice set 17. Practice set 17 will solve. That is, write the measures of the angles given below. Now here again, how we are find out the complementary angles? Like that, we need to consider the vertex for the second angle. That is, let's consider the second angle is, or the other angle is x. Okay, x degree will consider. Now 15 degree. is the angle. So plus x. Now we know that these are the supplementary angles. So 15 degree plus x degree is equals to how many degree? 180 degree. Now again this is the equation. We can solve this equation. X degree is equals to 180 degree minus 15. You will get the answer. You will get the answer. Okay? Understood, student? We'll get the answer, that is 170 degree. Okay? Okay, you can find out the answer, that is x degree is equals to 180 minus 15. You will get the answer of the another angle. Next question also we will solve. 180 degree is given. We need to find out the another angle. Okay, 120. Let's consider. Let's consider the other angle. Is x. Therefore 120 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Therefore x is equals to 180 minus 120. That will get x is equals to 60 degree. We'll get x is equals to 60 degree. Understood, students? Okay. Now next one, that is the measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Now see, here some measurements are given. We need to make the pair of the angles, that is complementary and supplementary. Now see, first one is given, that is measurement of B. Measurement of B is given. What is the measurement of B is 60 degree. Okay, measurement of B is equals to 60 degree. Now if you want to make the complementary angles, then what is the pair of measurement of B? That is measurement of N. Measurement of N, that is 30 degree. So 60 degree plus 30 degree will come 90 degree. 60 degree plus 30 degree will come 90 degree. So measurement of B and measurement of N are the pairs of complementary angles. This is the one example I have solved. You need to solve the others also. Now supplementary angles also the same thing. Now say suppose we will take supplementary angles, that is 150, that is measurement of J is equals to 150 degree. Okay, which is the another one, so that we can add in that and we'll get the 180 degree measurement, that is measurement of N, that is equals to 30 degree. So that after adding, what we'll get here? After adding, we will get the 180 degree. So this is measurement of angle J and measurement of angle N. If we'll add both the measurements, we'll get the 180 degree. That is why angle J and angle N are the is the pair of supplementary angle. Measurement of angle J and measurement of angle N, after adding these measurements, we'll get the 180 degree. So the angle J and angle N are the supplementary angles. I hope you understood it. Now whatever the remaining one, you need to find out by your own. It is the homework.